Hey yeah, I am Crazy Fox Girl and this is my first episode from Sunday with Foxy. New series! So what I'm gonna do today? Well, I'm gonna try and bake some pancakes, why not? First, I will need to cover my clothes. It's very important to protect your clothes and to take care when you wear glasses. Okay? This should be more like up and down, up and down. And this, yeah, I think it's okay. Yep. Wonderful. When you don't have someone to help you, it can be pretty hard. So, what I need? 1 egg, some milk. I'm not paid or sponsored by this product, so flour, how do you pronounce that? It's okay, you know that. That white powder, blah blah blah. Sugar, bake powder, I think. Some sugar with vanilla flavor and vanilla flavor. What I'm gonna do from the beginning, I'm gonna break the egg. How you can break the egg? Like this. Okay, and I'm gonna wash my hands because I don't like this. Now I feel better. I will need this. I don't know the English word for this, but in Romania we say tel. Or bătător. Bătător de ouă. Ex-bătător. Kinda like fighter? Ex-fighter? You fight the eggs? I don't know. Okay, I will put the milk. Usually you have to measure them, but I don't. I just watch with my eyes. Oh, by the way, sorry for the poor audio quality. I'm recording right now with my phone, so yeah, I know it's pretty not so good. Nice. I don't know if it's one of my quality, but I always like to smell the food or the ingredients before starting to cook, because sometimes it cannot be good, so you have to take care about that. I'm gonna start and mix the egg with the milk. I think it's okay. Now I'm gonna add vanilla flavor. If I can open it, yeah, I did it. It's enough. I don't like to be so strong, the flavor. It can be up to you. By the way, I'm not a chef. I'm not here to teach you how to cook. I'm here just to show you how I cook. That's when you don't have a camera or someone to help you. you have to check every time if the phone is recording. I have a limit like 5 minutes to record, so yeah, here I am. Okay, so I'm gonna mix the vanilla flavor and the sugar with vanilla flavor, and after that I will need another bowl. Because usually the flour, yeah, you got it. This thing, white thing, yeah. It has to be mixed with a baking powder, or the powder bake, and whatever. Is it good? No, yeah, it's okay. It's not expired or anything, but it looks really strange. I'm not sure if this is baking powder. Let's go! Let's go! By the way, why did you not subscribe to my channel? Why you don't like this video or other videos? I'm just kidding. If you have any other ideas what should I do on Sunday with Foxy, please let me know and write down or below in the comments. Yeah, I'm not a professionist or something like that, so I always use my hands, but now I'm recording, I cannot use my hands. So I'm gonna mix them like this, and I will try to mix with the milk and everything. But first, I'm gonna use the sugar and mix with milk, and with the milk and the egg, okay? Oh, by the way, I like the pancakes to be sweet. I like them to eat with chocolate or honey, but usually I like them like that, just being sweet and eat them. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix this with this. You know that already, what's all of this. I don't have to tell you. Oops. Nice one. See? Protect your clothes. Okay, so this is, I hope you can see it. I don't have access to see what I'm filming, recording and everything. That's annoying, but it's okay. Usually I'm recording on my PC and yeah, I can see everything on my monitor. But now because I'm recording with my phone, I want good quality, video quality. My phone is, you know, it's okay, but it's not the best. So yeah, I need another screen or monitor or something so I can see myself what I'm doing. But these are my pancakes now. I think you cannot see me. I don't know. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna let this rest for 10 or 15 minutes and I'm gonna be right back. Yes, I'm back. I have everything ready here. I forgot to tell you that you need oil as well. Of course, oil for cooking, yeah? Sunflower oil. And now, I'm gonna try to bake my first pancake for a long time. I'm nervous. Oh, it smells incredible. I need this. I don't want to make them so big, so I'm gonna wait a little bit and I will try to turn them. If it's not working, it means that I still have to add some ingredients. Yep, it seems like it's not working. Yeah, it's kinda not. Oh, the fail! My first pancake is a fail. Okay, no problem. No problem. I'm gonna turn this off and I'm gonna add more flour. I think that's what we need. But it smells nice. Shush. Go. You don't wanna go. Okay. I always do something, I don't know, a mistake or something when I'm trying to bake my first pancake. So even though if I count and measure and everything, no, it can't work. Add more. I'm gonna let this here, perhaps I will need it more. Now let's mix. Okay, this seems more like a pancake, I think so. I hope it's gonna work. I really hope. Let's do it. Now you will not believe me, guys, that I'm cooking. You will say, oh, this girl doesn't know how to cook. Well, I know, but sometimes I have bad luck as well. Let's try again. Okay, now let's do this one. Think this works. Come on, don't break, please. Okay, it's okay. It's fine. What? My first pancake, or my second pancake, is here. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna let this here so I can take this, and I'm gonna put the next pancake. See how this is working. First this. Nice one, Foxy, nice. Oh my god. Okay. Now I need this. Come on. We can do it. We can. I trust in myself. Or not? I still need some flour. Still, yeah. But it's good. I don't know what to do. Shush. This is hard. Yeah. It is just me, or when I'm trying to record myself playing a game, doing something, everything is going wrong. I'm not kidding, it's not the first time when I'm doing pancakes or anything like that. I don't know why it's not working. Perhaps I can make them smaller. Yeah, I think, or perhaps the flour isn't the best. Don't touch your face with, yeah. As I said, I'm not a chef, so I'm just doing this because I love pancakes. They are not the best right now, but it's fine. And yeah, I'm using my fingers. Don't hate me for that. Please. No hate. No. Yoy, I don't know what to do. I don't know what's wrong with this. I think the flour isn't the best. Or the sugar. I will make them a little bit smaller. Okay, this is gonna be, I hope, the best. I hope so. If not, well, this is the life. La 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 la. Oops. Come on, we can do it. This is my third try. Don't break it. Don't break it. I did it. I told you. I can do it. This isn't perfect, but it's here and it's amazing. And oh my god, it's so good. Because I have to throw them. Every 5 minutes. Okay. I think if I make them smaller, it's better. So my third try was the best. how the pros are using this spatula because I don't know how to use it. I mean, I searched on internet and it's not working like that. Perhaps this isn't the best, it's a cheap one, and even an expensive one, blah blah blah, yeah. I'm hungry. Yeah, very good. Shush. Hey, don't burn me. Yep. Yes. I did it again. Another perfect pancake. Let's go. So yeah, every time when I'm baking the first pancake or cooking, I cannot do it. I was lucky one day. Everything worked perfect from the beginning. But I guess I'm not lucky every day. Or if I am, not on doing pancakes. Oh, by the way, I can make them big, but I don't want to be big. I like small pancakes. I'm kidding. I think I did something wrong, so I don't want to risk and break them or something like that. So it's okay. This size is perfect for me. Yep, just a little piece. Okay. So, oh, I forgot to turn this back. Sorry. Yeah, good job there. Why I don't pay attention to details? I don't know. So soon. Like right now, here is my last pancake. Okay, and this, I'm gonna let it small and see how this is gonna work. I wanted to say that it was a challenge for me. I'm not used to be recorded when I'm cooking, and I'm a little bit nervous because not because of the haters or something like that, no, but because usually I really cook good, and when I'm recording, as I said, even though if I'm cooking, I'm playing games or anything like that, everything goes wrong. I think that's the karma or the life, I don't know. But in rest, let's see if this is working. Oh, I think I should start it like that. Look at this. This is a masterpiece. This is wonderful. Foxy. But it's okay. I will not do this anymore. I'm gonna put this here. And I think my final pancake is done. Let's see. Yep, look at this. Look at this. Don't fall. You're gonna stay here because you're my masterpiece. gonna turn this off. I'm gonna let this here. And I'm gonna tell you guys, these are my pancakes. I know it doesn't look perfect, but as I said, I'm not master chef or anything like that. I just like to cook at home, and I think this is my own thing. This is delicious. Trust me, delicious. Look. I know you're gonna say you're gonna trust me if I'm gonna send you some pancakes so you can taste. Perhaps in the future, after the pandemic days, yeah, I can try and make some pancakes for you guys. Thank you very much for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and see you next time. Bye bye.